Yeah guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you something very interesting. How you can claim a token that's worth millions. Wow, this is interesting. As you can see, I've already dropped it in our Telegram group. For those of you in our Telegram group, you will have seen this. But for those of you who have not joined the Telegram group yet, that's because you are missing a lot. Kindly check the description below now. Make sure you join the Telegram group. There are a lot of our wolf have been dropping in the Telegram group. For many of us who is in the Telegram group, wow, we are really enjoying. So that's just it. Check the description below now. Make sure you join the Telegram group. After you join the Telegram group, check if you have not subscribed. Subscribe immediately so that you never miss any updates coming in. And don't forget also, let's go into this now. Guys, before we go in, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, quickly subscribe now. Give us a thumbs up, like our video if you do that. Share this video with your loved ones. You might not know any of them that is interested in this kind of video. Wow, that will go a long way to help us. Guys, don't forget, we are working towards to have 5k subscribers this year, and we are still in 85 subscribers. Guys, let's share our movies all around, our videos all around for more viewers and subscribers, so we're gonna hit 5,000 subscribers this year. Guys, I believe we can do it, so let's do this. Now let's get into business. So the first thing we need, as you can see, the token here is a token. Wow, how did I claim this token here? This is what I want to show you. Wow, 1,004,000 love coins. How did I claim it? Wow, don't worry, it's very interesting. I will show you two major ways you can claim this token from their official site, how you can claim it from their site, and also how you can claim it from Telegram bots. So let's go into this, guys. The first thing you do, get your Trust Wallet downloaded. For those of us that have the Trust Wallet, open your Trust Wallet. This is the first thing you see. This is the first page you will see. Now open your D app. Click on your D app here. After you click on your D app, for those of us who don't have the Trust Wallet, kindly check your Play Store right away. Type Trust Wallet and download Trust Wallet. Make sure you are downloading the real one, not just download Trust Wallet. Check it properly. So after you download, install. So after you successfully install it, open it. Then you click on your D app. Now after you click on D app, the next thing you will do, let's go to our Telegram group and copy that link. Here's the link. Wow, interesting. So you paste it at the top here. So then we enter. Don't forget the up here. Make sure you change it to Smart Chain. Don't forget, always make sure you change that place to what? Smart Chain, especially when you are dealing with this BNB token. So let's confirm that we are woman. Wow. Okay, let's just confirm this. No, that's not a trade. The box is asking about. Also correct about what we fish. Wow, it's not even correct. So let's check the other one. Are we sure it's correct? No, it's not yet. Okay, next one. That's us to verify. Let's check again. Are we sure it's correct? Oh, okay. But I just wait for it to load. It's still loading. So after you confirm that, oh wow, it's still asking us about that. Okay, I think this one is a little bit very more than the one. So to confirm this stuff, let's just confirm that first. Let's wait for it to load. So so you have to confirm maybe you are woman or not first. Probably your browser might skip it. Wow, it's still the same thing, guys. Let's check it once again. Just make sure you confirm this. Make sure you are clicking on the right thing. If not, it is still be coming and coming again. And sometimes it might depend on the network. Your network may be the cause of this. Wow, guys, this is network issue. This is network issue. This is really network. Now, as you can see, it's redirecting me to the main site. Yes, guys, we are back in here. So, as you can see, wow, this is interesting. Now, here is that token. They said sign up and get 10,000 free love coins. But don't forget, since if you use my link to sign up, you'll be giving 1 million free love coins instead of 10,000. So use my link in the description, copy it from the Telegram group, use it to register yourself. You will get 1 million free. So you getting me now? So you click on register. You register yourself. After you register yourself, get the verification code on your Gmail, then you try and verify. So now you sign up. Let me sign up for my own account. Let me sign up. Okay. Let me sign up for my account first. So you sign in for your own account first. After you sign in for your account, okay, then you let me reset my password, guys. They are saying my stuff is expired or what. So, but anyway, that is not an issue. So, may not be saying this place because I'm trying to reset my access to the site. So you don't just worry yourself. You'll get what I'm doing properly. So once you're registered, make sure you sign in. So once you log in, now there are some major stuff you will see. Now they will ask you to refer 2 of your friends before you can withdraw. That is per refer they will give you 20,000 love coins, 20,000 tokens, 20,000 love coins. So if you refer 2, they will give you 40,000 love coins. That's so if you are able to refer 2, you'll be able to withdraw. As you can see, I have 1 million, and I refer 2, that is 4,000, and 40,000. That's making 1,040,000 token. So as far as you can refer 2 of your friends, yes, you are good to go. Guys, the network is kind of slow here, so I think let's go to the Telegram group. The network is giving us a kind of frustrating mind. Let's go to the Telegram group. Now, since you are able to achieve that, after you've achieved that, then you've referred two of your friends, they've logged in, they successfully sign up. So the next thing you will do is you check the downside of it. Then from there you will see some two tasks they will ask you to do. They will say join the Telegram bot to mine tokens. After that, it will ask you also to join their channel or group. So immediately you've complete these tasks, you are free to withdraw. Now the next thing you will do is you guys, let's still wait for it to load. So as I'm saying, you go back to your Trust wallet, then you copy your Smart Chain wallet address, then you paste, you go back to your Trust wallet, then you go and look for Love Chain. Let me show you how to look for Love token. So what you do is you just come to this area, you click that area, so so you type Love coins. As you can see here, we don't need contract address before we can see this. Just type Love coins, you will see the token will come up. So just click on it, then copy. After you've copied, go back to the site and then enter the amount you want to withdraw. So after you click on copy, then you paste. After you paste, click on withdrawal. Just wait for it. In the next 24 hours, boom, your money will drop. So guys, let's check the Telegram bot now. Now after you've successfully done everything, now here is the Telegram bot. I'll drop the link in the description below for you to join the Telegram bot also, or make sure you complete the task in the site. We are unable to do that because of the networks here now. So that's not an issue, guys. Let's move further. Now what we'll do here is, now after you've come to this list, now when you click on start, the first thing you see, they will ask you, to verify the above code, number, image. After you verify, you click on join. After you join, you enter your middle name, you enter your full name, you enter your email address. From there, then you click on tax to know what to do for today. Now here is what what they asked me to do for that day. Subscribe to their Love Coins Telegram channel and join their group. Follow Love Coins on Twitter. You can see they asked me to do 4 major things, and I will earn for the first one. What I will earn there. For the second one, I will earn 20,000 coins. Third one, 20,000 coins, and the fourth one, 100,000 coins. So just complete those tasks. You can see as I was trying to complete those tasks. Once you complete those tasks, the following day you come back again, you do the same thing. So like that. When you are able to reach their maximum withdrawal, because here is cash out, let's see their maximum withdrawal. Wow, their maximum withdrawal is 5,000. So once you are able to reach their maximum withdrawal, which is 5,000, just click on cash out. You enter your wallet address, the one you copied the other time. You enter, guys, boom. Just wait for 24 hours, your withdrawal will drop. This is 100% sure, legit. As you can see, guys, I just claimed this token of recent. That is why I love to share this movie with you also. Guys, you are able to claim yours also. Give us a thumbs up, like our video, subscribe if you have not done that. Never miss any video, because there are a lot of updates coming up soon. Don't forget, join the Telegram group so that you never miss anything. Also, I will drop you some wolf in the Telegram group, and don't forget, we are still running some refer competition. Anybody that refer more people to our channel, we are giving them some free token. Wow, we love this. So go on now, share this movie with your loved one. Check the Telegram group, contact me immediately and get a bonus. See you in the next video.